Hi, welcome to PlayOwnAi. It's Martin. We'll build MapsDataScrap, that AI-powered Google Maps real estate data scraper SerpAPI. It's simple, smart, and real-time. Now let's execute final workflow. MapsDataScrap. Scrap maps data and save to Google Sheet automatically. No manual searching, no repetitive work. Just enter a few area names and boom, you'll get a spreadsheet full of business names, phone numbers, addresses, websites, and GPS coordinates, etc. Launch a new N8N workflow and rename it MapsDataScrap. Add new node manual trigger. Node, when clicking Execute Workflow, add node code, rename it as set keywords Estate Companies Dubai Maps. Add JavaScript for set keywords. I will provide this code on GitHub Docs. Click the plus button and search for loop over items. Insert it right after your data source or split out node. In the node settings, set batch size equals 1 to process one item per loop. This gives us granular control. Optionally, enable reset if you need the loop to restart with each new input batch. What happens is, instead of handling the entire array at once, N8N now fires the connected node for each item, exactly what you'd use a loop for in code. Add node HTTP request rename as Search Google Maps SerpAPI 2. For each area, we send a SerpAPI request using the Google Maps engine. Method: get URLs to serpapi.com/search.json. Parameters: QWidget is Google Maps. Type search. API key equals SerpAPI key. This lets us automatically retrieve rich local results like addresses, ratings, coordinates via Google Maps. SerpAPI handles all the complexity: CAPTCHA bypass, geo-targeting, and structured JSON. Ready to grab? Add new code node, rename it as Extract Results. This node uses a JavaScript code block to process each area returned from the API. It loops through the JSON data and extracts key fields, including business name, phone number, address, website URL, and GPS coordinates. These add new code node, rename it as Format Tell You. This node uses a JavaScript code block to prevent duplicates based on formatted phone or telephone numbers. Append or update row in Sheet. Node. Add new Google Sheet node, rename it as Append or update row in Sheet. Credential to connect with. Google Credential Resource, Sheet within Document Operation, Append or update row in Sheet. Document in Sheet. From list right side drop-down will showing Sheet mapping column mode. Map each column manually. Column to match on. Phone formatted, using to match values to send. Drag and drop input variable left side to input field formatted. Drag and drop input variable name. Drag and drop input variable address. Drag and drop input variable location. Drag and drop input variable. Finally, we append or update rows in a Google Sheet. Let's add the weight node to control pacing and avoid hitting API rate limits. Click the plus icon and search for weight. Rename it simply to weight. In the parameters area, set weight amount to 5.0 and choose the unit, either seconds or minutes, depending on your use case. This pause ensures a smooth flow through the workflow, spacing out requests and keeping everything running reliably. Now, our data scraping process will respect timing limits and avoid overwhelming external APIs. Google Sheet output. Finally, in your Google Sheet, you'll see business name, phone, address, website, and GPS data. To deduplicate results, add a new sheet and use this formula in cell A1, unique Companies Scraping AZ. This dynamically filters and shows only unique entries, no duplicates. The code is included in the GitHub Docs. Just reference the link in the description. Support line Get Assist. Stuck anywhere or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. You can download the full workflow directly from my GitHub. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel, PlayOwnAi, youtube.com/@PlayOwnAi. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with MapsDataScrap Playground.